Hey glass people, well welcome back to the studio. Today we are going to make one of our large acorns. Studio's just about ready. Just got to warm up the pipes, pour our color. And today we're going to be using one of our ribbed molds. This will give it a really neat little pattern inside, and there we go right there. So we're going to stuff the hot glass into that once we've added the color to the glass. But before that, we are going to give it a bit of a twist, and it's really important to have an even heat from the pipe to the tip of it so it twists at the same rate. So I'll use the diamond shears. So I'll hold on to the diamond shears and I'll give it a bit of a twist. Now once the twist is done, we're going to give it another heat and stuff it. And this is really cool. I love using my molds, and I do really enjoy making paperweights, and an acorn is essentially a paperweight, except we add a little piece to it. Okay, so now I've just blocked it with a wood block. So that just gets it to the shape that I need. Now you don't want to go in too hot, especially with blue, because it'll just kind of twist the color all weird. It's important also to shape it before you cut in that jack line. It just makes your job a lot easier. Now with our wood blocks, we need to use either a fruit wood or beech wood. And in this case, I think this is the beech wood. We have somebody local who owns and operates a CNC machine, and he cuts them out for us, which is great. It's really handy. So as probably most of you know, all color glows orange when it's hot. Once it comes out of the box, it'll come back to its original color. It's also really important here. You can see how the color is onto the pipe a little bit. So when you get the glass really hot, you can almost see through the color, and you want to make sure you're cutting that jack line on the not on the pipe, because you won't be able to get it off. It'll be really messy. But we're okay. So now I'm just heating the tip to give it a little pull, but now we're gonna get right into the top of the acorn. So we're gonna do a couple rolls in the opaque blue. And now I've got to marver it as even as I can, because when I stuff it, because it's gonna get a little bit elongated, and when I shove it into the mold, I want it to kind of squish evenly up. It'll make for a better round top. Alright, so you gotta be careful when you go into a pineapple mold, because if you get stuck in there and the glass doesn't want to come out, then it's a real problem, because to chip that cold glass out, you may ruin a couple of your teeth. And now I got my beautiful wife helping me. She's paddling the bottom of the acorn. Now it's time to knock it off, and you'll see just one little tap. Just like that. All right, now to the box where it's gonna sit overnight. And now it's morning. Now we take a look and see what we've done. How does it look? Beauty. Look at that texture. So once we've examined the glass and congratulate ourselves, off to the cold shop. We're gonna grind it. We're gonna grind the two ends the exact same size so this way it just matches. It'll look so much nicer. So I'm gonna grab my diamond pad. I'm all suited up. So it really doesn't take long. It's important to have water running. The friction would just crack the glass, so the water just keeps it cool. There you go. So now I'm gonna go find the bucket of glue. So the stuff that we use is a 2-part epoxy. Anyway, so I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Got to make sure the two surfaces are squeaky clean. This way the glue won't fail. Now the nice thing about the Hextol is A, it's really strong, and 2, it never yellows. So if you're gluing clear glass, you never see like a nicotine kind of color. Anyway, we don't have to worry about that. But there you go. So now we're going to put it back into the box, set the temperature to 90 degrees, leave it in there for 24 hours, let the glue set, and boom, there you go. Acorn. Well, thanks for coming out. Take it easy.